Hello guys, my name is Zahir Ahmed and welcome to my channel. In the previous tutorial we have learned about simple calendar program, but in this tutorial we will learn about lucky winner program. So let's start our video without wasting our time. First of all, open Python file and import random module from Python libraries. Now take a variable that is name. This variable will contain the name of participants. Now take another variable that is winner. This variable will call the random module and its function that is choice. As choice function has a property to pick an item randomly from the list, so we will put assign list variable name that is names. After writing this, print winner. As the program executes, it will show you lucky winner participant name from the above list. So this is our lucky winner program. For any question, type in comment box.